CES 2023 was super bright, including this display from TOG, which was designed to stimulate your senses. First up, I stopped by my good friends over at Govee. They had a very spectacular booth showcasing their brand new AI Gaming Sync Box. Govee is the first to use AI technology in the lighting industry. And this thing uses machine learning in a very specific and unique way, which is to analyze the data that's happening in your games and figure it out based on text and reactions in your game to know exactly what colors it should do.
Let me tell you more about this Govi AI Gaming Box. We programmed it with AI algorithm and we train each game with over 100K images. So you see, it actually reads and recognizes the text and in-game actions. So for example, right, when you're playing Apex and when you do the med kit, you see here, you see after you're done with the med kit, the lights changes from red to green so that, you know, the AI box knows that you finished. And also when you win the champion, it celebrates with you, celebrates the victory. So it actually levels up your gaming experiences and it's super immersive. You can see the color matching right now, it's 99% accurate. We have 240 Hertz refresh rate when it comes to 1080p. So that's like the highest in the market. It comes with the box, the light bars, and the strip attached behind the screen. It's gonna come at March 27, so stay tuned.
Thanks to Govee, you guys could be the winner of a brand new AI gaming box if you simply hashtag Govee AI down in the comments of this video. So scroll on down there right now and leave hashtag Govee AI, and that will get yourself entered to win your very own AI gaming box kit. They were also showcasing their infinity mirror light boxes. They did this with the Govee M1 LED light strips behind a mirror, and pretty much anybody can do this same effect in your house, and it turned out pretty cool. I think I might do this in my next shed project. Leica has decided to enter the home theater projection market with this innovative 4K ultra short throw laser projector that had very impressive lenses and color. There was also a massive focus on health, including tons of massage chairs and people just sleeping away at CES or standing on platforms vibrating their brains out, hoping to lose some calories. But AI was the big buzzword in the health industry. You could find them in almost every device. They just slapped on the word AI, added it to their tagline. And then you could also pee on the tech this year. Yes, this is the urine sampling detection system from Withings that you literally pee on, and athletic wear that has sensors built right into the clothing to track your every movement. And Jillian Michaels was even there promoting her brand new smartwatch line. And with the autonomous Emma bassinet, you don't even have to monitor or take care of your baby anymore.
I'm kidding, man, relax.
Then moving forward to RCA Brand, they are stepped into the e-bike and e-scooter market with some unique designs and some very powerful specs. But I was really intrigued by their battery technology because they're moving to solid-state battery technology.
It's actually going pretty fast now. This thing will fully charge from 0 to 100 in 27 minutes. So this is the first consumer product with solid-state batteries in them. So now it's coming out. You can pull the entire module out, and this is its own independent unit. You can charge it, discharge it, as if it's its own power bank. You know, if you don't want to take the whole thing with you, you could just slide one out, take it on your whatever small trip you have, fully charged in about 1.5 hours.
What's the output on it?
3,600 watts. We got a little solar panel on top just in case it completely dies. You know, it's good for a triple charge just to wake this thing back up. You actually see the cells right here.
And why solid state over cells?
We improve the energy density by about 60 to 70%. If you go around, the rest of the show and you see other products with this form factor, this size, this weight, you'll see their capacity be around 2 kilowatts the most. Our product here is 3.6 kilowatt hours. It's also super safe. One of One of the first things we did when it landed in the stateside for our production models, we took a 380 Magnum, we shot it 3 times. Not only did it not catch on fire, it still held its voltage. It was still operational, which is amazing.
The real question though is, will it power my Tesla?
We're making a power wall with these building blocks, and you'll see the concept loop here in this video, but essentially the whole power wall will be made up of several of these units here. We'll probably have about 30 of these on a wall, and you just pull one out whenever you need.
Ram was showing off their unique approach to wireless charging of their new truck concept for the Dodge Ram 1500. Jimmy also was showing their Horizon Pro 4K projector and their Halo Plus projector, which actually has auto keystone and focus correction anytime you move the projector. Later, I'm going to do a direct comparison of the Horizon Pro and the Cosmos Nebula 4K projector. Oasis was showcasing their LiDAR-equipped autonomous robot vacuum cleaner along with their Works brand autonomous lawnmower. They're taking a much different approach to the mopping application though, and changing out more of a Swiffer style pad automatically rather than having to have gunky water in a bin similar to the Roborock S8 Plus. But what do you guys think? Would you rather have water to mop or a damp Swiffer pad that gets changed out and disposed of? Kohler showed up in a big way with lots and lots of shower head options and wall-mounted sprayers, and this $16,000 Infinity Edge soaking tub complete with aromatherapy. But these toilets, the Numi 2.0 smart toilet, I think really takes the cake here. These things are super modern looking. You can open and close them from the app. It even senses when you walk up to the toilet to automatically open the toilet lid. But I love how it just closes down automatically. And then of course, if you're gonna stand up, make sure you open up that second lid. Well, there you have it. Those are some of the tech gadgets that I really enjoyed getting to know and see in person at CES 2023. I'm not seeing these showcased on other channels, so I wanted to bring them to you. Which were your favorites, or were there some that you saw in my highlight clips that you want to know more about? Let me know down below. Be sure to subscribe. I got more cool videos coming out this week.